If you want to up your game and take your woodworking to another level and start making your own wooden hinges for those special projects, have I got a deal for you. I'm going to show you how you can save up to $100 on HingeCrafter router bit sets from Whiteside next. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Nailed up for your sanity. This is the shack. Hello and welcome. Hey, if you're new to the channel, or if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of that valuable time out of you. I truly appreciate that. Since you're here, why not subscribe? And when you do, don't forget to ring the bell so you are notified when the videos do come out. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I ended up saving over $100 on a specific router bit set. If you want to take your woodworking to another level, add that flair or that very personal touch to a project or gift, this is the way to do it. What I'm talking about is the Whiteside Hinge Crafter router bit set, specifically designed for Incra to make wooden hinges. Yes, that will really set your project off. Adding wooden hinges and really puts that personal touch and adds that extra flair to it. So I'm going to show you exactly how I saved $100 on this set as you follow me along. So let's dive in. All right, we're at the Incremental Tool website. We're going to scroll down here to the router bits. Check in the description below. I have links to all of this. We are focusing on the 600 Whiteside 8-piece Incra Hinge Crafter router bit set. This is the one we want. The other one is metric. We are doing the standards. You have 4 round bits, 4 straight bits. Look over here. This gives you the number of each bit. Straight bits, your sizes, the bull nose, which they call them round, sizes, and they're all 1/2-inch shank bits. And they got a big whopping $279.95. Now I'm going to tell you as what my total price would be if I was to purchase this, including shipping and taxes. That's something you have to consider. Shipping costs and taxes. Now, price will vary depending on where you live and your state taxes. For me, if I was to purchase this through the Incra website or Incremental Tool website, I have $279 for the price, $13.30 for shipping for where I live, and for my taxes, $21.70, bringing the complete total price if I was to purchase this set to $314.95. So this is the 600 Whiteside. We're going to copy that. And we're going to go to Amazon, and we're going to paste that in there. This is the Whiteside. This is what we want. And right there it is. So let's go check this out. If you move your cursor over, it zooms it in, and you can see every bit has Whiteside and the corresponding number for that bit. You have 4 straight bits, 4 round over, or they call bullnose bits. Now it does not show in a box, but I was reading through the comments and they say yes, it does come in that red box. So this one is $223.11. Now me, I have Amazon Prime, so I get free shipping. So depending on your situation, you may have to pay shipping. But for me, my total price if I was to buy this set, $223.11 plus taxes, $17.29. My total, because I get free shipping, $240.40. Right there, I have already saved $73.71 buying this set. But I'm going to save you even more money. Scroll down here, and you see these compare with similar items. Whiteside router bit 601 small hinge crafter. This is a 602 large hinge crafter. So I was checking them out, looking at the numbers. Combine these two together gives you the complete set as this right here. I'm thinking, oh wow, if they're $100 a piece, that's not going to save me any money. But you look down here, frequently bought together, you got the large and the small. Your total price, $193.54. I'm like, whoa. The only difference is mine does not have this little paper on here. This has changed. Now the ones that he is selling has this little insert on it, which makes it kind of nice. These are genuine Whiteside router bits. So now, if I was to buy two separate sets to combine to equal one complete set, my total price, $193.54, with taxes is $15. Free shipping because I have Amazon Prime. That brings me to a grand total of $208.54. Now my savings is $106.41. That is an amazing price. Kind of an oxymoron. Usually when you buy a complete set, it's cheaper than buying individual sets or individual pieces. For some reason, this actually works the other way, and you save money buying these two separate sets to combine them into one. That, I hope, helps you if you are in the market for the Hingecrafter router bit set from Whiteside. That is some serious savings. And if I find a deal, if I can save money somehow on woodworking tools, I pass them on to you. This is no exception. That's $100 savings. That's massive. And if you're in the market for these types of bits, if you want to up your game in woodworking and your routing skills especially, and you want to start making your own wooden hinges, which I cannot wait to try out and check it out because I think that will just take some of the projects to the next level. It really puts that personal flair, that personal touch to it. I can't wait to try this out. Main thing is we save money. 601 and 602. Buy the two on Amazon, combine them for one and save $100. At least I have a nice red Whiteside router bit case. This one's empty. This one, I got the complete set in. The only downfall is when I bought these, it's only been a month, last month, sometime December I purchased them. They didn't have none of the pictures up here, and he has them now. I personally would love to have the pictures. I'm just kind of weird that way. I would like to have some information on the top there, on the lid of my pull-up, so I know what to look for. I like having things complete, so I'm just kind of strange, right? I'm saving you money, or trying to help you save money, and that's my shack tip. So that's it on this video. Check up here, or look in the description below if you want to know more about my highly advanced updated router table. And I only say that because what I came from. So if you watch those videos up there, or check in the description and check out one of those videos on my router table I purchased last year. Last year's only 3 days ago. 2021. Actually purchased it on Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And actually I go through there and show you how much I saved. And you might want to check that out. Rockler was sending out their coupons for 20% off, but one item. And I worked around that, and I saved $200 some on my router outfit. And I explain exactly how I did that in that video. But with that, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack for your sanity. I'm excited. I can't wait to get this stuff, get working, start building some stuff, learning more, honing my craft even further. It's all about learning because we never stop learning. Once you stop learning, you stop living. Thanks again for watching. We will see you next video.